What do donuts and eggs have in common? Glazing. You'll never cook the same way again. 3 grams of butter. That's all it takes. I didn't believe it until I tried it myself, and now I can never go back. This butter isn't just to prevent sticking. It's to summon the egg gods. Let's hope they're listening. Some chefs use spoons, others use spatulas. I prefer the power of touch and burning my fingertips. This yolk has one mission: perfection. Watch closely, because I'm not going to do this 3 times. This egg doesn't know it yet, but it's about to be the star of a masterpiece. No pressure, little yellow buddy. The 3rd crack of the day is the most emotional. Makes me cry a little bit sometimes. Dear eggs 1, 2 and 3, consider this your audition for greatness. Let's see if you've got what it takes. 3 eggs, 3 yolks, like golden suns. This isn't breakfast. It's art in motion. Wait until you see what happens next. No fast forwarding, no shortcuts. Just you, me, and 3 eggs, defying the laws of breakfast content. They said nobody will watch eggs cook in real time. I said, watch me. Observe the subtle transformation. The whites coagulating, the yolks maintaining their liquid gold. This is egg alchemy in its purest form. You think this is boring? No, my friend. This is breakfast foreplay. Watch and learn. By adding water to the hot pan, we create steam, which gently cooks the tops of the eggs while locking in their glossy finish. This is egg science in action. This is no ordinary water. This is the secret elixir of egg glazing legends water. Some say water and eggs don't mix. I say, watch this. That sound, that's the music of perfection. Those drops of water are glazing the yolks into edible gold. The drops are in. Now we wait. The question isn't if these eggs will glaze perfectly. It's how beautifully they'll transform. This isn't just water meeting heat. This is steam creeping into every corner of the pan, kissing the yolks gently and whispering, "You're about to be glorious." In less than 180 seconds, these eggs will either be flawlessly glazed or breakfast will be ruined. Let's see what happens. Every second counts. Too much steam and the yolks will be overcooked. Too little and they stay dull. Too much and they won't jiggle like your mother. This is cooking on the edge. Now we will gently play with the edge. Give it a little shake. Look at those yellow yolks. They're still wobbly. They're not overcooked, but they are cooked on top. No snot. Now that we've made them loose, we can just slide them onto a ready, willing and waiting plate. The 3 eggs, perfectly cooked. The butter, the steam, the science, it all led to this. Trust the science. They said it couldn't be done. 3 eggs, perfectly fried and glazed. But here they are, and they're glorious. If these eggs don't deserve a standing ovation, even an ovulation, I don't know what does. 150 grams of cottage cheese and a slice of sourdough, 50 grams. And as a growing man, you get all the protein you need to kickstart protein synthesis. I'll leave it there, folks. Good night, good morning, good evening, God bless.